We live to cook, as we are the chefs in our kitchen. But we definitely hate this. We love these: Supreme, Excellent, and Ultra Sharp. In collaboration with our backers, we developed a full set of premium Damascus knives that give you chef's superpowers to turn any ingredient into a piece of art. Introducing Vokken Series 2. Last year, we received a lot of amazing comments about our chef's knives. So we collected our backers' feedback, and they simply said,
"Wow, they're very sharp.
I'm not disappointed at all. Just a beautiful product.
The best knife that I've ever had.
It's very nice in the hand.
Easy to use.
I love the look of it, the way it feels in your hand.
This is what a real knife feels like."
Keep up the good work.
Crafted now of 67 layers of Damascus steel, each knife gives you an uncompromising cutting experience and lifelong use. The 15-degree razor-sharp cutting core of Vokken is made of custom-developed AUS 10 high-carbon steel, reaching up to 62 Rockwell hardness. This results in an incredible edge retention and a sharp blade that slides through any surface with ease. Each blade is equipped with these features and designed in the right size for precise cuts. The chef's knife's wide blade and even wider finger area are perfectly adjusted for optimal maneuverability. Minimal pressure gives maximum output for all slicing and dicing purposes. Nakiri's flat blade is ideal for super thin and effortless chopping of any type of veggies. The multi-purpose Santoku knife delivers impeccable and precise slicing, while the utility knife is well suited for smaller ingredients and peeling. No words needed for a bread knife that cuts bread and dough smoothly. For more delicate tasks, meet our narrow blade boning knife, which provides absolute control and precision for filleting and deboning. The 10-inch Kuritsuke is perfect for big tasks. The long blade is perfectly suited for filleting and complicated but smooth cuts. All these blades are supported by our perfectly balanced premium grip handle with a slope bolster that boosts effortless cutting and maximum control. All this would have been impossible without our prototyping and production experience and feedback from our backers. Now we are almost at the end of our journey, and we need you to support us in bringing Vokken Series 2 into reality. We are offering amazing limited discounts for all our backers. Guten Appetit.
We have an entire knife block that's now collecting dust because of the Vokken knives, and for that, I thank you.